What's up? My name's Isabel Pyatt. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm just going to be recording a little bit of the fireworks that me and Alicia are watching, which if you didn't know, which you don't know because I never said it, this is my best friend, and I should probably blur this out. But we are just gonna watch some good fireworks. See, look at the sky. Isn't that pretty? There's some fireworks that some random people over there. And they got upset with me. This is Alicia's brother, Aiden, and this is my sister, Justice. We're just kind of chilling here, and people are setting off fireworks behind us. It's kind of like a free-for-all right now. So everyone's just kind of setting them off wherever. There's so many cars. I don't know how good the audio is. Right in front of us. Front of us, right above us, Alicia. What do you think?
Justice.
Okay, so right now we're sitting in front of the car. My sister's on top, and we're watching fireworks because they started a couple minutes ago. I forgot to record. There we go. What do you think about this, Alicia? Tell me your view.
Well, my view is fireworks, and
They're freaking gorgeous, am I right?
yeah, they're.
Look at all these colors. Okay, so these fireworks have been going off for a minute. Alicia's getting super tired, aren't you? Oh my. Got some McDonald's up there. My sister's still. Okay, so fireworks are over. I'd probably rate that like a 7.5 out of 10. They were pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, I'd give them about an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, it was
Really
pretty good. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to, comment down below some more ideas, maybe another vlog. Who knows?